Here's important information from the Health Law Firm.
The attorneys of the Health Law Firm have decades of experience in writing, reviewing, negotiating, breaking, and litigating contracts involving physicians and other health professionals. Here are a few tips they have learned over the years. There is no such thing as a standard physician employment agreement. They are all different, and everything is negotiable initially. Wording is crucial, and you must be sure the contract represents exactly the agreement you made because the language in the contract will govern in any future dispute. Be sure that every exhibit, addendum, or schedule referred to in the contract is completed and attached before you sign. The Health Law Firm's president and managing partner, George Indest, says, "The services the Health Law Firm provides include reviewing and negotiating contracts, preparing contracts, helping employers and employees enforce contracts, advice on setting aside or voiding contracts, litigation of contracts in state or federal court, and litigation of restrictive covenant." You should also obtain and review copies of every document referred to in the agreement. These may include the practice's policies and procedures, the employee handbook, a code of conduct, sexual harassment policy, compliance agreements, and more. Keep these in a file with a copy of your contract. Carefully consider clauses that allow the employer to terminate the agreement without cause on a 30, 60, 90, or 180-day notice. With such a clause in your contract, you no longer have a 1 or 2 year agreement. Instead, you have a 30, 60, 90, or 180-day contract. A promise to make you a partner or shareholder after a certain period of time will not be enforceable unless all of the terms are specified in order for a court to enforce it. Do not start working until you have a completely signed copy of the employment agreement. If you have questions about your employment contracts, your best move can be to consult with an experienced healthcare attorney who can guide you through the process and make sure your best interests are handled.
For more information, visit thehealthlawfirm.com.